Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Red color, dark green color, light green color, yellow color, brown color, dark brown color, pink color, gray color. Let's start. Green color. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C for carrot. C for carrot. D for dog. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for goat. G for goat. H for hen. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite. L for lemon. L for lemon. M for mango. M for mango. N for nose. N for nose. O for owl. O for owl. P for piano. P for piano. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for ring. R for ring. S for star. S for star. T for tomato. T for tomato. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for village. V for village. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. So kids, what we learned today? We learn A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you in next video with a new topic. Till then, bye.